Hello students, a very good morning to all. This is Manoj Kumar and I welcome to all my channel that is गणित साला। ये फुल ऑफ गणित का चैनल है। यहाँ हर टाइप की गणित आपको पढ़ाई जाएगी। दिस इज द मैथमेटिक्स चैनल, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट solve one problem, right, to make you understand the concepts. मैं आपको समझाने का प्रयास करूंगा कॉन्सेप्ट की इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं, राइट? कुछ स्टूडेंट यस स्टरडे वन स्टूडेंट कमेंट ऑन माय वीडियो दैट इज hyperbola. He want to just enroll the course but the link was not working, and so I'm just going to update the link. And also the students who face the problem, he can go for another video description box, and I just saw there some links are working there, right? So you get take the advantage, can enroll the course with the help of those links. Also this link will be enabled for all videos, right? Today I will update rest of the links. Okay, so let us start the problem that we have. Now here we have capital A, the matrix. The order of matrix is 3 cross 3, that is square matrix. Here in matrix capital A, we introduce here small a belongs to A. Small a means this small a belongs to n. Small a क्या है? That is natural number. Natural number means you know what are natural numbers, right? Natural number will be starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 में जो आप काउंटिंग करते हो, गिनती करते हो, those all are natural numbers, right? Number of students, right? These are natural number. लेकिन 1.5 2.5 and decimals, they are not natural number, right? Okay. And also we have given a sigma is equal to 1 to 50. Determinant of adjoint is equal to 100k. Determinant of adjoint is equal to 100k. Then the value of k is, we have to find the value of k, right? So I will use the concept of determinant of adjoint. Determinant of adjoint A. This is equal to determinant of A raised power n minus 1. In the present problem, n is the number means you can say order of the matrix. So in this case we have n equal to 3. N equal to 3. So this becomes determinant of A raised power 2. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Right? Now, so what is the determinant of A? This we have to find out. Right? Okay. So how determinant of A? Just I am going to explain the determinant of the matrix with the first row. This first row, and so we'll explain by one first row, first column element, that is A11, right? That is 1 according to present problem, right? So I will just hide here first row and first column, and then we will multiply with 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0, right? So we are writing here determinant of A is equal to 1 to 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0, and now second entry is 0, right? 0, so you have to expand with 0 entry, but the terms minus 0 something, it always keeps 0. So again now I am going to expand with the A. A is present in the third column, first row. So we will hide the third column and first row of the matrix, and then will multiply here. We will multiply here what? 0 into 1, 1 into minus, right? So this is what here we have 0 into 1. So 0 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1, right? This is we have. So we have determinant of A is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 0 plus a times 0 minus into minus, that is plus. So we have here a plus 1. Now take the sigma. We have sigma a is equal to 1 to 50, determinant of adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A. Now using the formula determinant of adjoint A, that is what determinant of A, n minus 1. According to problem we have determinant of A square. So the value of determinant of A from the previous slide, you can write here a minus 1 whole square, right? Let me show you, right? Now this is determinant adjoint is determinant of a square, right? So now see here, this is what. Now put a is equal to 1, 2, right? So equal to 1 we have 2 square, a is equal to 2 we have 3 square, a equal to 3 we have 4 square, a equal to 5 we have 6 square, sorry 4, that is 5 square. So this sequence will work. Now the last digit 50, so this become 51 square, right? This become 51 square. Dear students, here I will use the concepts of sigma sum of first natural number. What will be the square sum of first natural numbers? Let me tell you, right? So now we have here, let me tell you, we know here sigma n square. Some first number, natural number, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to n square. This n and this n is clear. So the formula value is n into n plus 1 within bracket 2n plus 1 upon 6. Now according to present problem we will convert, right? So we have sigma a is equal to 1 to 50 modulus of, sorry, determinant adjoint A equal to what we have. So we are what, let me tell you, in the previous slide we have this one. So in this case, to convert the sigma form, we will just subtract by minus 1 square and will add here 1 square plus. So this up to this 1 square to 51 square, this become sigma 51 square, right? So again let me tell you, so this 51 square, we use the formula here, n equal to present problem 51 we have. So let me tell you again, so n equal to 51 we have. So we have 51 into 51 plus 1, that is how much? 52, right? Into 51 into 2, 102 plus 1, that is 103, right? Upon 6 minus 1 square, that is 1. Dear student, in the present problem we have sigma equal to 1 to 50, determinant of adjoint is equal to how much? Given us 100k. Now we will simplify here. Just 3 17 ja, that is 51, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 26 ja 52. So we have 17 into 26 into 103 is equal to 100k, right? Also this is minus 1, this one, right? Now if you are going to solve the value of k, so this is k is equal to 1821 upon 4. This is the answer. Dear student, जो भी doubt हो, कोई भी you can just contact me. I will resolve your doubt regarding the mathematics, right? So आप लोग इसमें इसके कॉन्सेप्ट के बेस पे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? अगर आपको कोई इशू आता है, यू कैन रीच आउट मी, आई विल टेक यू डाउट, राइट? सो अपना ख्याल रखिए एंड हैप्पी होली टू ऑल। एंड बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम के साथ।